Are we agreed upon this?
We are going to pick a fucking bus.
That penis looks like you had Tourette's while drawing it.
And
What?
also, we're going to get the key box because
Someone's drawing a dick on the pre-planning map, and it looks like they have fucking Parkinson's.
What? Did they make Minecraft balls?
no, they're like all the lines just really jittery.
What isn't cake? Cake is a lie.
For the meat flaps.
How do we unlock more favors?
You spend favor points, don't you? I've spent a
You
lot
get
of
a
them
limit.
because I'm spending them because I know how to do this heist the best way, which is bus stop
Okay.
and the fucking key
Who the
box.
fuck is drawing this gigantic cock?
Check Smegman.
It's me.
Take a picture.
Oh, that's right, because you are the green one.
Oh, it's
Me
green?
with the
I-
lopsided giant tits shooting milk.
I went to a public school, so of course my first instinct on any blank canvas is to draw a dick
Based.
On
on.
what?
It's pretty gay, fellas.
Me and my host have been revived. Dude, stop griefing. We are pre-planning and you are drawing.
You're drawing dicks.
I wonder if there's anyone that ever draw with the, like actually use this seriously.
Thanks for turning that straight, Wookie.
Oh, the drawing the. No, that one was me.
Oh. You'd put the fuck. Oh shit! I'm out of ink. Oh no, my pen's out of ink.
Your pen is.
My pen is
Man, that is
fucking S. The fucking S at the bottom. Holy shit!
Okay, we also need to get a doctor back.
You better take screenshots.
Oh, I'm out of ink.
I like that. That's what we're after we draw. Belias draws this giant cock, and then I draw a vagina around it and a uterus around the cum splatter. Rookie's just all of a sudden like, we also need a doctor back.
Yeah, she's got syphilis.
L'abortion.